Hello. This is my hair, like every day. What you gonna do about it? Okay, so I haven't made a video since I started lifeguarding. So my first 2 days of training, the first day I had a girl who kind of told me stuff, but not really. And the second day I had like this really super awesome, like super lifeguard, and he was amazing. He's older, and he told me like everything, and I like that because I like to know like how to be a good lifeguard because I want to be a good lifeguard. My first day was Saturday, and I kind of don't remember it, but I remember that it was good. I didn't get lost. I was scared of getting lost because there's like a bajillion million stands, and they all have different names. At Blizzard Beach, they all have names. So you get a stand every day, a different one. And you get a rotation, and hold on, I got rotation. Okay. So every morning you get this sheet of paper, if you can see it, and you have your stands, and you have where you start. So, for instance, I am. Can you even see that? I am right here, and I started today at Snowblower. Oh, look at that. And you just go down, and it tells you, like, you have break. So I had break. Then you go to these many, whoa, drifting off there. You have this many stands, looks like 4 stands. No, can't count. Yeah, 4. And then a break, and then you keep going down, and you go up to the top. Anyway, so you get this every day. It's kind of cool, you know, technical. And so you're never at the same stand twice in one day, which I kind of like because it's interesting. So, but today was good. Today was good. I'll just fill you in on a few favorite moments I've had so far, and not so favorite moments. Today, there was this guy that, like, I don't know what he stepped in today, or what was up his butt, I don't know, but I was at the bottom of a slide, and I was the greeter, so I basically was in charge of taking the tubes and stacking them. And so this guy comes up, and he's with his wife and kid, and he's like, can I ride this lame ride by myself? And I was like, yes, happy. He took a double tube, which you're not supposed to take a double tube if you're riding by yourself. You're supposed to take a single tube if you're riding by yourself. So he takes a double tube, and I don't really notice, and he starts walking off to go to the right. And the lifeguard, because there was a lifeguard and I was like standing off, the lifeguard was like, you need to go tell him that you can't go down that or else he's going to be really mad. So I was like, crap. So I grabbed a single tube and I like sprinted after him, and I was like, sir, sir, like trying to run after him. I guess he was ignoring me because he surely heard me because I was screaming my head off at him. So finally I get to him and I'm like, sir, you can't ride this ride by yourself unless you have a single tube. And he was like, you know, rolling his eyes. I don't even know what he said, but he was just being rude. And so he like drops the tube that he has, the double tube, and I'm like, okay, thank you for handing it to me. Anyway, and so I hand him the single tube, and he's really pissed off, like, no, thank you for running after me, ma'am. It was just like, whatever. His wife, I felt sorry for her for having to marry him, but she was like, thank you, and you could tell that she was just like, oh my god, I'm married to a butthole. Anyway, so I'm walking back or whatever, and he goes down the slide, and you're supposed to take your tube out, and he decided that he was too cool, I guess, to take his tube out. So the lifeguard's like, sir, please take your tube, sir, please take your tube, sir, yelling, you know, he could hear, but he was just like, no, this park is lame. Maybe if your park wasn't so lame, then I could not have to do anything because I'm a lazy person. She shouldn't have really yelled as much as she did because at Disney, you know, happy, but he was just being really obnoxious and refused to take his tube out, and he was just like, y'all already took my money and this park is lame, blah blah blah. I kept saying the park was lame. It's freaking Blizzard Beach at Disney World. It's like the #2 water park in the world. I'm sorry that this is lame to you. Why don't you go to like a plastic pool and have fun in there or something? Like, what is wrong with you? Anyway, so I just kind of laughed like, wow, you're really angry. But so that was like probably the worst thing. But maybe the next thing after that wasn't so good was there is a lot of people that wear things that do not cover so much of them, that maybe they need to be covered. For instance, large men, hairy men who wear Speedos. I know that that's culture in, you know, European countries. They wear Speedos. That's just how they are. You know, let it all hang out there. You know, I respect that. You know, we in America like to wear the shorts for guys. They don't so much. You know, whatever you want. It's just when a really large man is wearing a little tiny Speedo and stuff is kind of bulging out that doesn't need to be bulging out, and stuff showing that doesn't need to be showing, it's just kind of weird and not really, it's gross. So that's not really fun. And there also is a lot of bikinis that the bottoms only cover half the butt cheeks, and I'm used to them covering pretty much almost all the butt cheeks, so that's interesting. My favorite moment so far is there were these two British boys in the lazy river thing, and one of them was on a tube, and his friend goes, "Put your butt crack away," and the little boy was like, "What? Your butt crack? What about it? Put it away." It was just really funny. It was just really funny. Because they were British, and I love British people and kids, especially like little kids. Oh my gosh, there was this so cute, this little like 2-year-old girl, and just like, "Mommy," like it was like Charlie bit my finger. Oh my god, it was so awesome. Obviously, she wasn't having her finger bitten, but it was still really awesome. I think I've talked enough about that, but I will end this video with a little techno because that's what I like to do. So, until next time, have a magical day.
Please don't go. Please don't go.